Violet here. Welcome back to our channel. In today's look, I created this makeup look for you guys, so I really hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you guys want to be entered in this month's giveaway, then make sure that you go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Make sure that you hit that bell button and turn your post notifications on, and comment down below if you are located in the United States to be automatically entered. So for today's tutorial, I decided to do not only an eye look, but also a full face tutorial as well. It's been several months since I've even filmed a full face tutorial, so I'm not gonna lie, I felt very weird doing a full face tutorial. That sounds really weird because you'd think I'm really good at doing my eye makeup so that it would come naturally, but I feel like if you go a really long time without doing it, then the skill kind of weakens over time, if that makes sense. So yeah, but I want to do a lot more full face content on here because I just feel like I'm really missing out from the full experience, you know, the eyes, the lips, the cheeks. So I hope you guys enjoyed that I included my full face. So for today's look, I used my Dose of Colors Sassy Sienna eyeshadow palette. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It's perfect for like a all matte smoky eye, which is the look that I'm going for today. So the first shade that I picked up was that first really light matte pink shade, and I just put that in my crease with a big fluffy blending brush, and I just started to put that in my crease just as my transition shade. And then next I went in with this deeper copper brown shade, and I just picked that up with a defined angled brush, and I started to map out where I want to add all of the definition in my crease. And then going in with a more muted brown shade, the center shade in the palette, I just packed that all over the center part of my eyelid just to create that really smoky matte brown look. And then going in with that first transition shade, I decided to blend out the edges a little bit more. Just going in back and forth motions and circular motions just to get the blendedness that we desire. And then going in with our Sophie Bella lashes, the style that I went in with is Barbados. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description box down below if you guys want to check out our lash brand. And then taking that transition shade, I just put that on my lower lash line. And the last thing that I did was I applied some mascara. And this is a finished eye look, but make sure to stay tuned for the full face look that I'm going to be including right after this. So the first thing that I did to achieve my flawless base is I grabbed my Too Faced Hangover RX Hydrating Serum, and this has hyaluronic acid, so it just leaves my skin really hydrated and plump and ready for all that foundation and contour that we're about to go in with. The foundation that I used is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Foundation, and I just applied this all over my face. I actually went in with a little too much product, and then I blended it in with a damp beauty sponge. And make sure to blend it down your neck as well. And to contour, I went in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Contour in the shade Mink. And I just applied that to my forehead, to my cheekbone, a little bit on my nose, my jawline, and around my lips. And it looks really, really crazy, but don't worry, we're going to blend it out. And then for concealer, I went in with my Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer. And I went in with the shade 16. And I just applied it to all the center points of my face, so under my eyes, on the tip of my nose, on my chin, and in between my eyebrows and on my forehead. And then I obviously went in and blended all the contour and concealer out, and then I baked underneath my eyes with some translucent powder. And I just used my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. And then going in with my highlighter, I went in with a Too Faced Canary Diamond highlighter. I really, really love this highlight because it has a hint of pink and bronze in it. And then for my contour, I went in with my BH Cosmetics Brilliant Bronzer in the shade Cocoa Cutie. And I just contoured my cheekbones and underneath my jawline and a little bit on my forehead as well. And then after I contour, I always like to bake underneath my contour just to sharpen it up. And I always go in with a big fluffy brush just to blend it out shortly after. And then for blush, I went in with this brand new blush from Colourpop. This is the Press Powder Cheek in the shade On the Horizon. And I really, really love the way that this blush turned out. And then going in with the lip liner, I went in with the Steve Laurent Vogue lip liner and my Dose of Colors Velvet lipstick in the shade Truffle. And for gloss, I went in with my Buxom April Plumping Gloss. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out our channel and bumps it up in the suggestions. So definitely do that if you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!